Operation Plumbbob was a series of nuclear tests conducted by the United States during the Cold War era, aimed at studying various aspects of nuclear weapons. On June 1957, one of the most notable tests of the operation took place, known as Shot Priscilla. This particular test involved detonating a nuclear bomb over designated areas, including a group of pigs. Shot Priscilla was a significant event in the history of nuclear testing, shedding light on the impact of nuclear radiation on living creatures and further contributing to the scientific understanding of nuclear weapons. The decision to include pigs in the experiment was not taken lightly. Due to their anatomical similarities to humans, pigs were often used in medical and scientific research. The objective of exposing the pigs to the nuclear explosion was to observe and analyze the effects of radiation on their bodies. This data would then be extrapolated to better understand the potential consequences of nuclear attacks on human beings. The pigs chosen for the experiment were carefully selected and observed prior to the detonation. Scientists monitored their behavior, health, and physical condition to establish a baseline for comparison after the event. This attention to detail ensured that the data collected from this particular test was accurate and reliable. At the designated time, Shot Priscilla was detonated, releasing an immense amount of energy into the atmosphere. The impact of the explosion was immense, creating a powerful shockwave and generating a significant amount of heat and radiation. The animals, including the pigs, were situated at varying distances from the detonation site to ascertain the varying levels of radiation exposure. Following the detonation, scientists swiftly conducted post-procedure examinations on the pigs. Their conditions were meticulously documented with the aim of understanding the short-term and long-term effects of nuclear radiation on the living organism. These observations were valuable in assessing the immediate damages caused by the blast, as well as the potential long-term effects that radiation exposure might have on survivors. The results obtained from the study of the pigs were alarming. The pigs closest to the detonation site displayed extensive burn injuries, severe internal injuries, and acute radiation sickness. Those situated further away exhibited less severe injuries, but still displayed signs of radiation exposure. This demonstrated that the effects of nuclear radiation were not limited to the immediate vicinity of an explosion, but could have widespread implications. The findings from Shot Priscilla sparked a renewed interest in understanding the effects of nuclear weapons on living organisms. The data collected from the pig experiments played a crucial role in shaping subsequent nuclear policies and strategies for the protection of civilian populations in the event of a nuclear attack. Moreover, the pig sacrifice in Shot Priscilla highlighted the ethical dilemmas associated with using living creatures for such experiments. It forced scientists and policymakers to grapple with questions of morality and animal rights when conducting experiments aimed at advancing human knowledge. In conclusion, Operation Plumbbob Shot Priscilla, which took place on June 1957, provided valuable insights into the effects of nuclear radiation on living creatures. By including a group of pigs in the experiment, scientists were able to observe and document the immediate and long-term impacts of the blast. The results of Shot Priscilla contributed to the development of more comprehensive understandings of nuclear weapons' destructive capabilities. However, the ethical implications of using animals in such experiments cannot be ignored. Shot Priscilla stands as a significant historical event, shedding light on the scientific, ethical, and moral considerations associated with nuclear testing in the Cold War era. If you enjoyed watching this video, support the Fact Cemetery channel by liking and subscribing. Thank you.